My love. And my last dance. I remember when I am 4. I'm asking myself, is what all this is for? This is the life of a child, or this is a life of a man? I get my guitar singing, playing, and now I saw someone dancing in the tune of my guitar, and I continue playing and playing until 1 hour passed. And the 3 equals 1 is 4. 4 a.m. in the morning. And I'm still playing. But where is the one who is dancing? Where is the one who dancing in my music? And I heard a voice said, this is basic. I want more reggae. Reggae. Sorry, it's not reggae. And I know you are a player. No, I'm just a child. I'm just 4 years old. And how can you say that I'm a player? No. You are already family. I said, I'm 4 years old and I have family. I said, we are meant to be. I am the musician and you're the dancer. And she said, can you dance too? I said, dance for what? For the tune of what? He said, tune of a punk. Oh, it's not F, it's P. Oh yeah, we're meant to be. We're forever. And I wrote it in my book. And I'm sure you're gonna shook your melted brain away. I said, no, I don't like it. But one day, one fucking day, you will smash the stone with your knife. And man, I meant it. I mean it. I said, I'm just 4 years old. And you are how old you are? I am 14. A teen. I said, I'm just 4 years old. How you can say we're meant to be? And we will be you and me. I said, we will. Like the water in the jug that fill the water in your cups. It's just enough for one drink. For you to think. who is me and who is the one telling you we are meant to be. And you will need to see. I said, what? What? That's my question. I said, this is just proportion. Then we will make an election. Who is the first and who is the last? I said, I am fast. Fast enough to make you my wife. It's a deal or no deal. And she said, of course it's deal. You're handsome and you're wise. It's like a bird that flies in the air, that never tired, like an eagle. The soaring, the wings, his wings, and never get tired. And I said, all right, let's dance in the tune of pop punk. But first, I will eat a lamb chunk. Wait, my mother cooked this for me. Oh, you have an election. Who is the first and who is the last? And I said, you are my wife and I am fast. Fast enough to understand. To understand that you are become mad. If I will not say this. Not goodbye. But let's fly in the tune of pop punk. I don't want to eat anymore a lamb chunk. It is enough. It's enough to understand. Your love is true and my love is true. And let's be together. Let's build a family that's full of ninjas, of wise man, of a boxer, of a singer, of a musicians. And what else? I want the praise of your people one day. To hold not back in the life that I choose. In the life that no one can bear. Even I'm living in the world that have moon of flair, that have flair. Even my eyes is a blur, can't see properly. Oh, it's finished already. I'm not a street fighter anymore. I'm not a drummer anymore. Yeah, I'm still a composer. Yeah, I call someone a sir. And then so what? And yes, we're become a universe. And yes, become a best couple, they said. But where are you now? They said, oh, I know where you are. You're not yet so far. Not yet in the bar. In the bar of a rap. A song of the story of the year. Or even a Linkin Park. Oh, how you love looking of those swimming sharks. And before anything else will go, let's dance in the tune of pop punk. Before my brain become blank and my eyes become black, I want to say I love you. I want to say you are my everything. Stop arguing because no one will win. Do your life. Just make a story. Oh, will not happen. I wrote already that in the ball pen on the center of my brain. My pineal gland. Oh, she just a Miss Universe lang naman. Oh, it's not Tagalog, but English of course. For closure? No, it's not a closure because it's not the end of the story. And there's no memory gap. And there's no even gap in time. Not even slime that a child playing that get hard every touch. Oh, I know what's getting hard when I touch, but it's not what I'm not talking, you know. It is your love that never fades away. Look at your children. Oh, you're not a barren. In the voice of the one shouting in the desert. Oh, yes, it's not a gospel. It's a true story. Hidden in my memory. Even my eyes is blurry. I'm still seeing you in my mind, in my brain. And I'm still feeling you in my being. Like I'm putting in my what? It's not the life of husband and wife, of best friend and best friend, of a dancer, of a universe, of a universe. Oh, how good to see this family. I didn't regret the decision I made when I was 4. A 4, and it's just a song, Let's Hit the Floor. It's the song that make us whole. Who first shake the booty, even you're moody. You will dance with me. Go to the title. Thank you.